A solid career can crumble with just one misstep in taxes. A financial expert once warned about the legal pitfalls that can upend a celebrity's empire. This time, it's Lee Jun Ki, one of Korea's top stars, who finds himself at the center of a financial and legal storm. On the morning of March 19, Korea's entertainment world was shaken by reports that Lee Jun Ki had been ordered by the National Tax Service, NTS, to pay a back tax of 900 million won, approximately 15.8 billion VND, following a nearly 2-year-long audit. Behind this seemingly technical dispute lies a web of complex issues, ranging from how celebrities manage finances, the role of management companies, and gray areas in tax law, that raises pressing questions not just about individual conduct but about systemic flaws. A legal loophole or strategic structuring? According to TV report, the controversy began when Lee Jun Ki founded JG Entertainment in 2014 while still maintaining an exclusive contract with Namu Actors, his main agency. Under this arrangement, Namu Actors paid his acting fees to JG Entertainment, which then reported the income and paid corporate tax at 24%. Here's the catch: Lee Jun Ki owns JG Entertainment, and the bulk of the company's income is derived from his personal artistic activities. Instead of paying personal income tax at a top rate of 45%, he paid a significantly lower corporate tax. That's the point where the tax authority stepped in. But let's not be too quick to cry tax evasion. In the Korean entertainment industry, it's increasingly common for stars to create private companies to manage image rights, advertising deals, and production costs. From G-Dragon, Big Bang, to IU and Song Joong Ki, many artists operate through layered financial structures. The key issue is, are these structures truly transparent and legal? Lee Jun Ki responds, "Our filings were legal and transparent. Not one to let speculation spiral out of control." Lee Jun Ki's camp responded swiftly. In an official statement to the media, they declared, "We have fully paid the amount demanded. However, we believe the tax authority's decision deviates from usual precedent. All our filings were done transparently and based on professional tax advice." Crucially, Lee Jun Ki has filed a formal appeal with the National Tax Service, signaling that this is not just a reputation-saving move, but a legal battle with broader implications. His actions suggest that he is not only protecting himself, but also challenging the current standards used to define the boundary between corporate and personal taxation for entertainers. The 5.2 billion won penthouse, office or personal property? Adding fuel to the fire was a side controversy involving a penthouse purchased by JG Entertainment in 2021 for 2.95 billion won, approximately $2.2 million, in Shinya, Incheon. Some reports allege that Lee Jun Ki was residing there, raising questions about whether the company was being used as a shell to disguise personal assets. However, the actor's representatives firmly denied the claim, stating that the property serves as the official headquarters of JG Entertainment, and that the NTS had previously inspected the penthouse and found no violations. Nevertheless, this incident adds another layer to the increasingly common practice of artists running complex financial ecosystems, often out of public view. Bigger question: when a celebrity becomes a corporation? Lee Jun Ki is far from the first celebrity to face tax scrutiny. Over the years, high-profile stars like Kim Tae-hee, Rain, and Yoo Jae-suk have all dealt with similar investigations or suspicions. But Lee Jun Ki's case is unique in that he has not denied, nor evaded the issue. Instead, he has paid the back taxes, publicly challenged the findings, and called for transparency and dialogue. So, what should we make of this? If Lee Jun Ki genuinely intended to dodge taxes, the audit and penalty are justified to ensure fairness. However, if this is a case of tax law failing to keep pace with the modern business models of celebrities, then perhaps the system, not the individual, needs reform. Fame in the price of compliance. What do celebrities need? In South Korea, where public trust in celebrities is paramount, even a whiff of scandal can undo decades of hard work. For Lee Jun Ki, whose iconic roles in The King and the Clown, Moon Lovers, and Iljime earned him acclaim across Asia, this incident marks an unexpected blemish on a long-standing, stable career. Yet, we must also be fair: Having a structured financial management system doesn't automatically mean tax evasion. Often, celebrities delegate financial matters to accountants and managers. If those advisors make poor decisions, or if the system itself is unclear, it's the celebrity who pays the price in both money and reputation. Conclusion: a crisis or an opportunity? Lee Jun Ki's case opens up more questions than it answers. Is this a warning shot for entertainers who operate through corporate entities? Or is it a sign that Korea's tax laws need urgent modernization to match the increasingly hybrid nature of today's entertainment professionals? One thing is certain: in an age of social media and transparency, every financial move must be not only legal but explainable to an increasingly critical public. Lee Jun Ki appears to be doing just that. And if he succeeds in proving his transparency, this incident may not be a scandal, but a precedent-setting moment that could shape how Korea's entertainment industry handles finance and law in the future. What's your take on celebrities establishing companies to manage income? Where do we draw the line between tax optimization and tax evasion? Join the conversation. This isn't just about one star. It's about a fast-evolving industry facing a much-needed reckoning.